Good morning, Dolphins. I'm Reagan.
And I'm Jacqueline. Today is Thursday, February 9th. Let's start with our morning pledge. Everyone please stand.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you for joining us in our pledge this morning. I bet you all sounded lovely. We do not have our lunch information at the taping of this week's DDN. We apologize for the inconvenience. We do not have our birthday information at the taping of this week's DDN. We will make up the birthdays next week.
Now, let's take a look at today's weather with Olivia.
Good morning, Rufino. Today is a cloudy day with a high of 54 and a low of 40. There is a 38% chance of rain. Tonight there will be a high of 40 and partly cloudy. There will be a 35% chance of rain overnight. Tomorrow temperatures will rise to 57 with cloudy skies with a low of 43. Remember to be respectful, helpful, and kind. Back to you.
Good morning, Dolphins. I'm Kenza, and I'm here today with Mr. LaGuardia. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Thanks for coming on. How are you this morning?
I'm good. Yeah, I'm feeling really good. I always enjoy coming to work each morning. Make sure I have my coffee, and I'm ready to rock and roll.
First, how long have you been teaching at DeFino, and what grade do you teach currently?
So I've been teaching in Marlboro this is my 9th year. I started teaching in Robertsville Elementary School. I taught there for 5.5 years as a special ed teacher. And now I am working in DeFino. I've been here since 2020, December of 2020. I have taught grades 3, 4, and 5 here in Marlboro. And I also taught first grade in Howell.
What is your favorite part of teaching here at DeFino?
I really, really love working with the students. That's really my favorite part of teaching, is working with the kids and making them better and getting them to really, understand difficult concepts.
We have a special guest here, Jackie, our 5th grader and host of DDN. She used to be your student.
That's right. In 3rd grade when I first came here, right? Yeah.
Jackie, what do you remember from Mr. LaGuardia's class?
I remember that, when we were, that you always, I don't remember, but I remember that he'd always, make sure that we're doing okay, and he'd always help us if we're having problems on something or not, and he'd always, explain it a lot. We had confusion.
Very nice. Do you have any exciting activities planned for your students during the next half of the school year?
I do, yeah. So my science class that's actually going on right now, we are going to be starting a bunch of different experiments with plants, plant structures, and animal structures. And in my language arts class, we're actually going to be starting literature circles with the book Rules. So the kids are going to be reading different parts of Rules in a small group, and they're going to be completing different activities each week. So it's really exciting.
The kids here really like you. Do you have any kids of your own?
I do. I'm actually a new father. My son Dominic was born in September, so he's actually going to be turning 5 months next week. He's super cute. He's always cooing and gooing. Ooh, ooh. And he will be here for Bring Your Child to Work Day in April, so I'm really excited about that.
Do you want to make any shout-outs to anyone before we go?
I want to have a shout-out to all of my students now and my students from years prior, and also to my future students.
Thank you so much for spending time with us and helping to make DeFino a Blue Ribbon School. That's all from 3rd grade. Now back to you.
That's all for DDN today. Have a triumphant Thursday. Keep those fins up, Dolphins!